What's up, guys? You already know who it is, Mr. Untouchable on Instagram, the official Mr. Untouchable on Instagram, and Untouchable Sounds on Instagram. Remember to follow my YouTube at Untouchable Sounds to be able to see everything we got going on the Untouchable Sounds Jeep. Now, real quickly, we're going to make a quick video to show you guys the new 2011 to 2018 digital dash from Carobotor. We're going to go ahead and show you guys real quick. We're going to go ahead and show you here. And with that, we're going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how it works. So this here is the unboxing of all the things that we get from it. And what we have here is the actual dash itself and the wiring that it comes with. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on real quick. So what you guys seeing are right now, this is the Carobotor dash kit or dash, digital dash. And what we're going to do here, this is giving you the actual access code for when you buy it from them. And what we're doing right now, we are literally bringing the data from here, from the car itself, from the original one that has... The original one that has it in the car itself, and then we have the Carobotor one. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and put in the code, and then this will be able to get us started. Alright, at this point, what it's doing, it is synchronizing from that dash, throwing the data from that dash to this dash. Now it is complete. Has our name, Luciano there. Has all the information as far as how many miles I have, so forth and so on. So it says right there that I have 63,116, 63,117. So it's jipping me on one rim, 1 mile, but for the most part, it's pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and go a quick video of everything and what goes on with it. So everything is digital now. So you see how here you have to have the needles for everything. That's the all original. And then here is all digital. So stay tuned. Watch what we got going on. I'm going to pull a full video of what we got going on here.